Hello, and welcome to this flight adventure aboard Southwest Airlines from San Jose to Seattle, aboard their Boeing 737-800 aircraft. Upon checking in and going through security, we headed over to our gate, and soon after that, we were ready to board the aircraft. Upon boarding, we were greeted by a very friendly flight attendant, as well as the Boeing Sky interior, with its mood lighting and larger overhead storage compartments. On Southwest, instead of the traditional assigned seating, it uses a choose-your-own-seat sort of policy, in which you just find an empty seat and claim it. No assigned seating. The seat on this aircraft was pretty new and very comfortable as well. Decent amount of legroom. Around 10 to 15 minutes later, we were ready to take off. Soon after takeoff, flight attendants came around and asked for your drink selection. So on Southwest, they just come around, take your drink order, and then they come around and serve you the drink, instead of pushing around a beverage cart, like other airlines might do. And today we were served pretzels, and they were pretty good, and they tasted like pretzels. Nice small pretzels. After having a snack, I walked around the cabin and saw that the cabin was mostly full, and it's a pretty nice cabin too, with a pretty modern, clean sort of feel, very simple, but overall very comfortable, especially for flights like this, or smaller flights, domestic flights. Very shortly, we began our descent into a mostly overcast Seattle. And the flight attendants on this flight were very nice too, very helpful, and made the flight go very smoothly and comfortably. Soon after that, we were on the ground at Seattle. That's it for this very small, short flight review, flight adventure aboard Southwest Airlines. And Southwest Airlines is a very nice airline with its competitive pricing, good flights, and good services. And I would definitely recommend it.